Hi, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to enable core isolation in Windows 10 so you can protect your system from malicious attacks and improve security. Step 1. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog. Type regedit and press Enter. This opens the Windows Registry Editor, which lets you modify important system settings. Step 2. Navigate to Local Machine and System, CurrentControlSet control DeviceGuard scenarios. This is where Windows stores the settings for core security features. Step 3. Right-click on Scenarios, select New, then Key, and name it Hypervisor Enforced Code Integrity. This key will allow you to enable or disable memory integrity. Step 4. Right-click on the new key, select New, then DWORD 32-bit value and name it Enabled. This value controls whether core isolation is active. Step 5. Double-click Enabled and set the value data to 1 to enable or 0 to disable. Setting it to 1 turns on memory integrity and protects critical system processes. Step 6. Click OK and restart your computer. This ensures all changes take effect and core isolation is fully enabled. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more Windows tips and tricks.